You might think weak legs are just an inevitable part of getting older, but did you know that recent research suggests this could actually be linked to specific nutritional gaps that are completely fixable? Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep your legs strong and stable, even at 94? You'll learn about 6 essential vitamins that could help you maintain your independence and confidence. And I'll share a simple 1 tablespoon a day habit that might surprise you with its effectiveness. As you know, it's not always easy to maintain the same energy and stability you once had. Do you notice your legs feeling tired after climbing stairs? Have you experienced that unsettling moment when you feel unsteady on your feet? Is this something you've been worrying about lately? Here's what's fascinating and hopeful about recent research. Experts are discovering that many of the leg-related challenges we face as we age aren't just about getting older. They're often about our bodies not getting the specific nutrients they need to maintain muscle strength, nerve function, and circulation. Studies show that certain vitamin deficiencies become more common as we age, and these deficiencies directly impact leg strength, balance, and mobility. Experts recommend focusing on targeted nutrition rather than accepting weakness as inevitable. The good news? Your body is remarkably responsive to the right nutritional support, even later in life. Let me share what research tells us about the connection between specific vitamins and leg health. Each of these nutrients plays a crucial role in keeping your legs strong, your nerves functioning properly, and your circulation flowing smoothly. Are you getting enough vitamin D? Have you checked your levels lately? This might be the most important vitamin for leg strength that you're not thinking about. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which directly affects your muscle function and bone strength. Without adequate vitamin D, your legs can feel weak, achy, and unstable. Studies show that vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common in older adults. Up to 40% of people over 65 don't get enough. Do you spend most of your time indoors? Are you avoiding the sun or living in a climate with limited sunshine? These factors could be affecting your vitamin D levels without you realizing it. Could you try this simple approach? 1 tablespoon of cod liver oil daily provides not just vitamin D, but also omega-3 fatty acids that support circulation. Have you considered adding this to your routine? It's one of the most concentrated, natural sources available. Is this part of your daily routine? Checking that your nervous system has what it needs to keep your legs functioning properly? Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health, and deficiency can cause tingling, numbness, and weakness in your legs. Here's what many people don't realize. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases significantly. Are you experiencing any tingling sensations in your feet or legs? Do you sometimes feel like your legs are heavy or unresponsive? These could be signs your nervous system needs more B12 support. Experts recommend that adults over 50 pay special attention to B12 intake because stomach acid production naturally decreases with age, making absorption more challenging. Would you consider this as an option? 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast daily can provide substantial B12 in a form that's easier for your body to use. Have you tried adding this to soups, salads, or smoothies? It has a pleasant, slightly nutty flavor that many people enjoy. Have you ever noticed your legs feeling cold or looking pale? Are you dealing with slow-healing bruises or cuts on your legs? Your circulation might need some vitamin C support. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your blood vessels strong and flexible. It also supports the small capillaries that deliver nutrients to your leg muscles. Studies show that adequate vitamin C intake can improve circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots. Do you notice swelling in your ankles or feet, especially at the end of the day? Have you experienced restless legs at night? These symptoms often improve when circulation gets better support. Could you see yourself trying this? 1 tablespoon of acerola powder daily provides natural vitamin C in a highly absorbable form. Have you heard of acerola? It's a small cherry-like fruit that contains 30 times more vitamin C than oranges. You can mix it into water, yogurt, or smoothies. Are you doing this, making sure the calcium you consume actually gets to your bones and muscles instead of ending up in your arteries? Vitamin K2 is the nutrient that directs calcium to where it belongs in your body. Without adequate K2, calcium can accumulate in soft tissues while your bones and muscles remain deficient. This can lead to both weak legs and cardiovascular problems. Have you checked your K2 intake lately? Most people haven't even heard of this crucial vitamin. Research shows that K2 works synergistically with vitamin D to maintain bone density and muscle strength. It's particularly important for preventing the muscle weakness that can contribute to falls and injuries. Would you consider this natural approach? 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter or ghee daily provides vitamin K2 in its most bioavailable form. Have you tried switching from regular butter to grass-fed options? The difference in nutrient content is remarkable. Is this something you've experienced? Muscle cramps in your legs, especially at night? Do your leg muscles feel tight and stiff, particularly after sitting for a while? You might need more magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including muscle contraction and relaxation. Studies show that magnesium deficiency can cause muscle cramps, restless legs, and general muscle weakness. As we age, our magnesium needs increase while our absorption often decreases. Are you dealing with leg cramps that wake you up at night? Have you noticed your muscles feeling tense and inflexible? These are classic signs that your muscles need more magnesium support. Have you tried adding this to your routine? 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds daily provides substantial magnesium along with other minerals that support muscle function. Could you see yourself snacking on these instead of processed foods? They're delicious roasted with a little sea salt. Have you ever wondered why some people maintain excellent circulation and leg strength well into their 90s? Vitamin E often plays a crucial role. This powerful antioxidant protects your blood vessels from damage and supports healthy circulation throughout your legs. Vitamin E deficiency can contribute to poor circulation, muscle weakness, and delayed healing. It's particularly important for maintaining the health of small blood vessels that supply your leg muscles with oxygen and nutrients. Do you notice that small cuts or bruises on your legs take a long time to heal? Are your legs often cold, even in warm weather? These could be signs that your circulation needs more antioxidant support. Could you try this final addition? 1 tablespoon of wheat germ oil daily provides natural vitamin E in its most potent form. Have you considered adding this to salad dressings or smoothies? It has a mild, nutty flavor that blends well with many foods. If any of these symptoms sound familiar to you, let me know in the comments below. Are you dealing with leg weakness, cramps, or circulation issues? Comment with the number of the vitamin that resonated most with you. 1 for vitamin D, 2 for B12, 3 for vitamin C, 4 for K2, 5 for magnesium, or 6 for vitamin E. Your experience might help other viewers understand they're not alone in these challenges. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate all of these into your daily routine without it feeling overwhelming. Have you tried focusing on one vitamin at a time? Could you start with the one that addresses your most pressing concern? Here's a gentle approach that many people find manageable. Choose 2 or 3 of these vitamins to focus on first. Would you consider starting with vitamin D and magnesium if you're dealing with weakness and cramps? Or perhaps B12 and vitamin C if circulation and nerve function are your primary concerns? Remember, these are food-based solutions, not synthetic supplements. Your body recognizes and uses nutrients from whole foods more effectively than isolated vitamins. Have you noticed that you feel better when you get nutrients from natural sources rather than pills? How long might it take to notice improvements? Could you give yourself 4 to 6 weeks to see meaningful changes? Some people notice improvements in energy and circulation within days, while changes in muscle strength and nerve function typically take a few weeks to become apparent. Here's what I find most encouraging about this research. You have more control over your leg strength and mobility than you might have thought. Are you ready to take charge of this aspect of your health? Could you see yourself feeling more confident and independent as your legs get stronger? Have you been accepting limitations that might actually be changeable? It's never too late to give your body the nutrients it needs to function better. Are you excited about the possibility of feeling stronger and more stable? If you're still with me and you're ready to give your legs the nutritional support they deserve, I'd love to hear from you. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gentle, science-backed tips for healthy aging. Comment "strong legs ahead" below if you're planning to try one or more of these vitamins. Let's support each other in feeling our best every day. Which vitamin are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts, and let's build a community of people who refuse to accept weakness as inevitable. Your legs have carried you through life. Isn't it time to give them the nutrition they need to keep carrying you strong and steady for years to come? You have more power over your health than you might realize, and it's never too late to start supporting your body in feeling its best. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel, move, and live. You deserve to feel strong, stable, and confident in your body, and these simple nutritional strategies could be the key to maintaining your independence and vitality for years to come.